we've mastered a procedure that doesn't require a scalpel or stitches. The No-Shave FUE gives patients the option of having a hair restoration procedure without having to shave their donor area.
Start of the morning, my wife dropped me off. Started with a consultation with Dr. Harris.
Our staff is going to trim the individual hairs that we'll remove. Your hair is going to look just like it did when you walked in.
I've noticed the recession in my temple area. I know when I was younger, I used to have that hair.
They're taking the donor hair from the back of my head, putting them where they belong in their future forever home. I've been texting my friends, I've been watching Netflix. I mean, it's kind of just like a day off, to be honest.
Just an overall great experience. It's such a smooth process.
Everything went perfect, your grafts look fantastic, and probably the best thing about this is it doesn't really look like anything happened at all.
This is like even better than I expected.
In about 2 to 3 months, the grafts will start to grow. By 10 months, he should have the full and final result.
The rest of your life, you will have hair, and you'll be happy every day that you did it.
If I could do this again, I'll do it 100 times. Just feel better about myself. That's worth everything.
For anybody out there who's looking at yourself in a mirror, feeling uncomfortable, seeing something you don't like, this is your opportunity. You could do something about it. It's that easy.
We're one of the few practices in the country that offers a no-shave method. It's perfect for the person looking for the most discreet way to have a procedure. The new methodology, the no-shave option, has brought on a new era of flexibility for patients.